My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove fake Windows Firewall protection alerts. These fake Windows Firewall protection alerts come from the random website. Currently, as per now, the website is this h32rimp2.gq. But obviously this is the random name of the website, and today or tomorrow it may be changed into some other similar malicious website. But there is something unique about these pop-ups. They use a special telephone number +1 866 915 2190, and the developers of this scam indicate that this telephone number is the part of some Windows support. But in reality, this is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Microsoft. This is a scam that may attack your Google Chrome and other browsers, even though, according to my personal research, such pop-ups primarily attack Google Chrome browsers. You should not call this fake telephone number. Once again, it is not related to Windows or to Microsoft. In fact, these pop-ups have in mind to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If you call this fake Windows support number, you will hear some online criminals hunting for your money. They might tell you to subscribe to some paid services. They may even connect to your computer remotely, and in fact the system even more dramatically. So please do not ever interact with these fake alerts. What you need to do is to, first of all, carefully check the control panel, and if you locate some suspicious programs here on the list, don't hesitate to uninstall them in a regular manner. Also, sometimes it happens that visually the system is free of threats, but still your browser may display a lot of unwanted ads, pop-ups, and redirections. If this is what is happening with your system right now, we do recommend scanning the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button. Install the program and then start carefully researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.